1, Rod Salmond, 67 years old, one of the oldest drivers and most experienced. Fourth in the show right now, also fourth in the season. This sponsor is Kix and Cowboy Clothing, Adams High River, owned by Carl McGovern. Here comes Ron Bolin at 4. There is Lane Kimble coming to 3, Nathan Sales in barrel 2, and at barrel 1, it's a man from Hudson Bay, Saskatchewan, Rod Salmond. Okay, the horn goes. A good jump out there by Nathan Sales. Let's make that turn and get going. He's got a good lead out there now. Make turn left, young man. And let's see if we can do it. Okay, we've got. He is on second spot right now. And he's in the lead. Rod Salmond. He's driving for Kix and Bucks and runs out the open position. High on the outside. Off goes Lane Kimble. Way on the outside. And Rocket Money Bolin is in fourth spot as they're coming down now past corner number 1 and into corner number 2. We're going to get Rod Salmond moving up there. Look at him go. He is going to get out there. He's got the lead now, and he's coming around now into the backstretch drive. Nathan Sales is coming in number 2. Look at Lane Kimble, All-Star Masonry. He's found a path right between Nathan Sales and the rail. He's going to take that and see if he can hold up Rock and Ronnie Bolin. He's driving for Dave Moore Trucking. Is on the outside right now. Let's see if he can hold on. Let's see if Rod Salmond can hold on to that position, but he's doing a great job out there. And Lane Kimble has now moved side by side with Nathan Sales. He's going to go on the outside. It's going to be a race. This could be the race of the day. I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, bring these drivers on home. Let's see who it's going to be. Rod Salmond is coming in number 1. Lane Kimble will come in number 2. Nathan Sales number 3. Here comes Roger Ronnie Bolin. Dave Moore Trucking, the more the better. Here comes the Rio Grande Rocket on Bolin. He was number 1 coming into the show. He's driving for All-Star Masonry. There comes Lane Kimble. And for Kix and Bucks Cowboy Clothing, the man from Hudson Bay, Saskatchewan, Rod Dawson. He is driving under the sponsorship of Sales-Enermax. There is Nathan Sales. Nathan Sales.